Hi, welcome to the direct deposit instructional video for summer internship funding. This video was brought to you by the Middlebury College's Center for Careers and Internships. A CCI approved resume is required if you plan to apply for internship funding. This includes midworks for Vermont and cohort internships. Drop in to see a peer career advisor, PCA, for help with resumes. Visit go/PCAS for quick question, hours, and locations. If you have already had your resume approved for funding, you do not need to have your resume reviewed again. Your Handshake profile should have a label on your file that says Resume Approved. Now, let's get started. When you first start your Handshake application, you will need to set up direct deposit. Funding awards will be distributed via direct deposit through the Accounts Payable Office. This is the most efficient way for us to pay our students. You should have received a link to register along with this video. Follow these directions for registering in Oracle. Questions can be sent to ap@gmhec.org or 802-443-2321. Online information on this process can also be found here. After clicking this link, select Register Supplier and then select Company Details. In the line that says Company, please enter your last name, then first name. For tax organization type, choose individual if you are a domestic U.S. student or foreign individual if you are an international student. For supplier type, choose student. A quick tip is to please enable your pop-ups when self-registering. Please skip the fields corporate website, attachments, and DUNS number. For tax country, please select the country of your tax residency. You may search for your country by typing it in. The system will predict your answer and give you a drop-down list of results to choose from. For taxpayer ID, enter your Social Security number. If you do not have a Social Security number, please enter your student ID number as shown below. For contact information, please enter your first name, last name, personal email, and confirm your email. Please do not use your school email as it may prohibit your future use as a student employee. Next, from Register Supplier, move on to Context and select Edit. After clicking to edit your contact information, please complete the above section only: first name, last name, phone, and email. Skip the bottom half of the pop-up entitled Roles. Do not edit this section. Click OK after completing the contact information. Next, click over to Addresses. The address listed here will be where you want your check to be mailed to, should you not choose direct deposit. Your school mailing address is an acceptable address. Click the word Create next to the plus symbol to create address information. A pop-up will add address information. Next, please complete the fields below. You do not need to add phone or email since this was already added under Contacts. Please complete the following fields. Address name. Address name is the city where you are located, add it with a -1. Example, Burlington, -1. New York, -1. Chicago, -1, etc. Be sure to also include country, address line 1, address line 2, if applicable, city, state, postal code, and address purpose. Choose Remit 2. After addresses, click Next and skip the business classification section. Select bank accounts. Complete this section to provide your ACH information. Choosing not to add your ACH information may result in a delay in payment. Click Create next to the plus symbol. Please complete the following information: Country, United States only. International banks are currently not accepted at this time. Bank, search for your bank name by typing it in. Branch, choose the correct routing number for your branch. Account number. Currency, US dollars only. Account type, choose whichever type is relevant. Checking, savings, money market, etc. If you do not know what type of account you have, choose checking. Another pop-up will appear. Begin typing in your bank's name. The line will automatically populate with the bank name you are looking for. If the bank name does not show up when registering, you must contact ap@ghmhec.org. This can happen because sometimes the banks are not in the system. Quick tip, if you type too slowly or pause, you may have to hit cancel or restart the bank search. Please be sure to pay attention to the difference between a routing number and an account number when inputting your information. The general rule of thumb is that the routing numbers are always 9 digits long, whereas your account number can range anywhere between 8 to 12 digits. If you hold 2 accounts at the same bank, in most cases, your routing numbers will be the same, but your account numbers will be different. You can find these on a check, bank statement, on your bank's website or app, or by calling your bank directly and asking. Click OK when complete. Click Next when finished entering bank account information. Skip the Products and Services section by clicking Next. On the Review tab, please review the following information: name, contact information, addresses, and bank accounts. Next, click Register. A pop-up will appear confirming your registration. You will receive an email confirming your registration. The pop-up will look like this. Confirmation, your registration request was submitted. You will receive an email after your registration request is received. Click OK. Funding notifications will be sent by Handshake email in May, so make sure your Handshake notifications are enabled. If you are awarded funding and have entered your direct deposit information correctly and completed all steps outlined in your award letter by the deadlines, you can expect your money in your account by mid-June. Students who have not entered their direct deposit information correctly will have their checks mailed to them. Since you will probably not receive your money until mid-June, be sure to make your summer plans accordingly. You may need to arrange to start your internship later to accommodate the payment schedule. Accounts payable will contact you directly if there are any issues with the direct deposit information you set up. Please contact Accounts Payable if you have any further questions. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on your internship.